Hello friends, myself Rasika Pagaria from Araham College. In last lecture, we studied about the process of political socialization. The process of political socialization is an incented process. Mere extinction of a group or a generation does not put an end to it. Attitude, value, beliefs and knowledge passes through from one generation to other. Political socialization is a process that functions at all different stages of an individual. The process of political socialization first begins in childhood and gradually undergoes changes. It is not possible to have consistent belief or values throughout the life. Values differ from what they were in childhood to that of adulthood. This is because as an individual matures, his interpersonal environment also changes along with geographical or societal changes that have a bearing on his behavior. By the time an individual reaches adulthood, the relation between the parent and the individual come under effective neutrality. Political value, beliefs, and attitude have a tendency to change drastically due to experience in spite of strong base during childhood. Thus, socialization during childhood is never complete. Functions of political socialization. Functions of political socialization are as follows: maintaining political culture. This function is performed by communicating political culture from one generation to another generation. Under stable condition, this is an important function. Then, modification of political culture. An important function of political socialization is the modification of political culture. This aspect is clear from its relationship to change, creating political culture. With the establishment of new political system, every society needs the creation of political culture. This function is performed by the process of political socialization. Continuity and change. The above discussion shows that the political socialization works in the direction of both continuity and change. In it, change and modification are permanent feature. However, this change is also stable. Sometimes this process is fast and sometimes it is slow. A clear result in the political field may be seen by too fast or too slow political socialization. Foundation of present pattern of political system. In open societies, there are sufficient opportunities for difference of opinion and opposition. On the other hand, the totalitarian state do not accept difference of opinion and opposition. It is not so difficult to maintain tradition. Therefore, political socialization can be imposed strictly according to the rigidity of the social system. Then, importance of political socialization. Importance of political socialization explained with following points. Maintaining political culture. This function is performed by communicating political culture from one generation to another generation. Since political field is generally disturbed, political socialization does not act for maintaining political culture. Modification of political culture. Important function of political socialization is the modification of political culture. Then creating political culture. A new political system, the establishment of new political system. Every society needs the creation of political culture. This function is performed by the process of political socialization. Continuity and change. The political socialization works in the direction of both continuity and change. In it, change and modification is a permanent feature. Foundation of present pattern of political system. In open societies, there are sufficient opportunities for difference of opinion and opposition. On the one hand, the totalitarian state do not accept difference of opinion and opposition. Political socialization can be imposed strictly according to the rigidity of the social system. Then relation between political socialization and political culture. The term political culture means the attitude, feeling, ideas, and values that people have about politics, government, and their own role, and more generally about authority in all its various forms. In that, we studied the first point. The political culture of the people is more than just their collective opinion. It is the way in which they choose to live as a result of their political belief. Then, though, moving towards the second point. Though the culture may be the same within in a society, this does not in any way mean that the people would agree on the same issue, or that what they may be important to one individual would be important to another. It simply means that the way in which they choose to approach and deal with their issues would be in a essence quite similar. See, दो क्या है, दो द कल्चर में बी द सेम. सी, भले ही अपना कल्चर क्या हो, सेम रहेगा विद इन सोसाइटी. हाँ, कल्चर सेम है विद इन सोसाइटी, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि पीपल हर इशू पे, हर बात पे एग्री हो जाए, और दैट व्हाट मे बी इम्पोर्टेंट टू वन इंडिविजुअल विल बी इम्पोर्टेंट टू अदर. सी, जो एक इंडिविजुअल को ज़रूरी है, इम्पोर्टेंट है, वही मैटर दूसरे इंडिविजुअल को भी ज़रूरी रहना, इम्पोर्टेंट रहना, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. It simply means that the way in which they choose to approach and deal with this issue would be in sense quite similar. See, उसी context में क्या है, it means that in simple way क्या है, जो आपको अप्रोच सही लगे आप वो करो, जिस इशू के साथ आपको डील करना है वो इशू आप डील करो इन अ क्वाइट सिमिलर वे एंड इन अ बेटर वे. It means that the way in which, sorry ये हो गया था, political culture usually means that the people have basically the same level of awareness of their rights, obligation and acceptation as a citizen. See, पॉलिटिकल कल्चर यानी क्या, यहाँ पे पीपल को क्या है, दे आर अवेयर ऑफ देयर राइट. पॉलिटिकल कल्चर यानी क्या, यहाँ पे लोगों को उनका काम क्या है, उनके राइट्स क्या है, ड्यूटीज़ क्या है, ऑब्लिगेशंस क्या आ सकते हैं, सिटीजन से अपने को क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए, ये सारा उन लोगों को पता रहता है, राइट. भले ही वो अलग अलग, भले ही दे आर इन द पॉलिटिकल कल्चर, बट they know, they are completely aware of their rights, obligations, expectations as a citizen. Moving towards the third point, one must bear in mind also that political culture varies from one country to another, simple because the beliefs, feelings, attitudes and the value of people varies. See, but obviously ना, पॉलिटिकल कल्चर जो इंडिया में है वही पाकिस्तान में रहेगा, जो इंडिया में है वही यूके में रहेगा क्या, नहीं. पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हर कंट्री का अलग अलग रहेगा, क्योंकि लोगों के बिलीव्स, फीलिंग, एटीट्यूड, वैल्यूज़ ये भी सब अलग अलग है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पॉलिटिकल कल्चर ऑफ ग्रेनेडा वुड बी डिफरेंट दैट ऑफ अमेरिका और जापान फॉर इंस्टेंस. सी, अभी उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल भी दिया है, द पॉलिटिकल कल्चर ऑफ ग्रेनेडा, इट वुड बी डिफरेंट from that of the America or Japan for instance, just as it would vary between those two, just as it vary between the two. One cannot understand the politics of a country without first looking at its political culture. See, अपने को समझ में नहीं आएगा पॉलिटिक्स कंट्री का कैसा रहेगा, उस कंट्री का पॉलिटिक्स कैसा रहेगा, ये अपने को समझ में नहीं आएगा जब तक अपन वो पॉलिटिकल कल्चर नहीं पढ़ लेते. Political socialization, on the other hand, is termed as the process whereby society develops attitude and feeling towards politics. See, political socialization क्या है, on one hand it is a process whereby society develops attitude and feelings. यहाँ पे क्या है, एक प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे सोसाइटी को एक एटीट्यूड मिलता है, एक फीलिंग मिलता है वहाँ के लोगों को, एंड दैट इज़ टूवर्ड्स द पॉलिटिक्स इन ईच ऑफ इट्स मेंबर. Murray 1985. This basically means that political socialization is the process by which political culture is developed and maintained. See, इसका मीनिंग, दिस बेसिकली इसका मीनिंग क्या है, ये पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन क्या है, ये एक प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे पॉलिटिकल कल्चर इज डेवलप्ड एंड मेंटेन. इट इज़ व्हाट इज टॉट टू द पीपल through their interaction with one another through the media and through observation. See, it is what, यही अपन लोगों को सिखाते हैं कैसे इंटरेक्शन करने का एक दूसरे से, प्रॉपर मीडिया यूज़ करने का, एंड थ्रू द ऑब्जर्वेशन. वेर एज पॉलिटिकल कल्चर डील्स with the collective, political socialization deals with the individual. See, पॉलिटिकल कल्चर क्या है कि इंडिविजुअल से डील करती है क्या? नहीं. पॉलिटिकल कल्चर क्या है? ये कलेक्टिवली सारा काम रहता है. एंड पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन व्हाट इट डज, इट डील्स विद द इंडिविजुअल. इट फोकसेस ऑन, ये किस पे फोकस करता है? इट फोकसेस ऑन द अपब्रिंगिंग ऑफ एंड इंटरेक्शन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. सी, ये upbringing of and interaction of the individual that result in the adherence to and acceptance to the political culture. Those groups and institutions which contribute to the process of political socialization are known as the agents of socialization. See, groups रहते हैं, institutions रहते हैं जो ये political socialization के बारे में बोलते हैं, उनको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? socialization agent बोलते हैं. This source affect the development of political values and attitude differently. See, फिर ये source क्या है? ये सारा source क्या है? It affects the development of political values and attitude differently, but they all contribute to the individual's understanding of and orientation toward politics. See, they all contribute to the individual understanding and orientation towards politics. The primary agents of socialization are those that directly develop specific political orientation such as the family. See, the primary agents of socialization क्या है? Are those that develop specific political orientation such as the family, whereas the secondary agent of socialization turn to be less personal and involved in the process of socialization in a more indirect manner such as media. See, the secondary agent of socialization क्या है? It turns to be less personal and it is involved in the process of socialization in more indirect manner such as the media. Moving towards the 6th point, political socialization has two distinctive level. See, अब ये जो political socialization है इसके अंदर क्या है? दो distinctive level है. There are the primary and the secondary. अब दो लेवल क्या है? एक प्राइमरी है और एक सेकेंडरी है. Political socialization has two distinct level, primary and secondary. Primary socialization takes place through relationship with others. This is usually mostly informal relationship like peer group, family member, social group, etc. So, primary socialization क्या है? It takes place through relation with others. See, प्राइमरी सोशलाइजेशन कैसे होता है? इट इज़ डन थ्रू द रिलेशनशिप विथ अदर्स. दिस इज़ एन इनफॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप. इसको अपन इनफॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप बोलते हैं, लाइक पीयर ग्रुप्स, फैमिली मेम्बर्स, सोशल ग्रुप एक्सेट्रा. दिस फॉर्म ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस इज मोर ऑफन subliminal. The person are usually unaware that they were being conditioned to think a certain way about their political system, situation and or standing. ये क्या है? ये एक फॉर्म है जिसके अंदर अपन क्या है? लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है? लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता, राइट? पीपल आर अनएबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बाबा अपन उनका सोच को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं, अपन उनकी सोच बदलने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट इन देयर माइंड समथिंग, कुछ दिमाग में उनके डाल रहे हैं अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, सिचुएशन एंड और स्टैंडिंग. Individuals develop a basic attitude towards authority and power through this form of socialization. See, individuals क्या होते हैं यहाँ पे? They develop some attitude towards the authority and power through the form of socialization, and as a result, this is what is emanated further in their political views and attitude towards politics. See, this is what it is further in their political views and attitude towards politics. 7th point is the secondary level of political socialization. The secondary level of political socialization is more formal in nature and is found mostly in the wider social network. See, the secondary level of political socialization क्या है, ये formal in nature है and it is wide social and it has a wide social network. This range from school, church, media, political parties, social group, etc. See, अब ये कहाँ से आता है? This range from school, churches, media, political parties, social groups, etc. The way in which a person react to, see, ये एक तरीका है, the way in which person react to and interact with their political system is heavily influenced by the way they hear and observe from others within their society. See, ये एक तरीका है जिसके अंदर क्या है, पर people interact, they react to the political system and they get influenced by the hear and the observe from others within their society. For example, depending on the religious belief of an individual, their political views will be affected as such. Depending on the influence of their instructor in school, they will be affected. The influence of media is a major fact in the ways an individual views the social system he operates in, and so is the case for social group, the policies and view pushed forth by political parties. See, here they have said something very good. सी, अब ये क्या है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द अपना रिलीजियस बिलीफ कैसा है उसके ऊपर ये पॉलिटिकल व्यू अफेक्ट करता है. अब ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है? इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द आप स्कूल में आपकी टीचर कैसी है, कैसे इंटरेक्ट करते हो आप स्कूल के साथ, इट एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स अपॉन दैट, राइट. फिर मीडिया कैसा है, हाँ, मीडिया आपके ऊपर कैसा असर डाल रहा है, मीडिया में क्या चल रहा है, ऑल दिस फैक्टर अफेक्ट्स ओवर योर. So policies and views push all this affect the political parties. See, moving towards the next point. Another major factor in political socialization is social status standing. This has a major influence on the way in which a person would choose to deal with social issues and the way in which they would try to influence policy. See, another major factor, एक और फैक्टर इन पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन क्या है, इज़ द सोशल स्टेटस. सी, और इसका इन्फ्लुएंस कहाँ है? इट हैज़ अ इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन अ पर्सन हु चूज टू डील विद द सोशल इशू, जो सोशल इशू के साथ डील करता है, एंड द वे इन विच दे वुड लाइक टू इन्फ्लुएंस पॉलिसी, और किस तरह से वो अपनी पॉलिसी इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं. Demography also play an important part in the way people respond to politics, as their different situations are affected differently by their political system. See, demographics क्या है? It also plays an important part. जिस तरह से people respond करते हैं to politics, और अब ये different situation रहती है, उस situation में कैसा political system अपना affect करता है and all this plays a very important role over here. By looking at both this concept, we can see how they are directly intertwined and co-dependent on each other. See, by looking at both this concept, अगर आप ये दोनों concept देखोगे तो अपन देख सकते हैं कैसे ये directly intertwined है and they are co-dependent on each other. Without political culture, there would be no political socialization, and without political socialization, there would be no political culture. See, without political culture क्या है? कोई political socialization नहीं होगा, और बिना political socialization के बिना कोई political culture भी नहीं होगा. They work hand in hand to develop a political system. See, दोनों साथ में काम करना चाहिए so that we can develop some political system in which everyone accept the basic underworking of the way in which the political machine runs. See, they work hand in hand so that they develop a political system जहाँ पे क्या है, everyone understands the basic understanding the way in which political machine runs. Political socialization forms political culture and political culture influence political socialization. See, पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन से पॉलिटिकल कल्चर बनता है और पॉलिटिकल कल्चर इन्फ्लुएंस करता है पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन को. पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन इज पार्ट ऑफ द कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशल ऑर्डर विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर टीचिंग सर्टन पॉलिटिकल बिहेवियर्स to the new members of a society in order to make them thinking in keeping with the changing political system they are living in. See, ये क्या है? पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन क्या है? ये एक पार्ट है ऑफ अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशल ऑर्डर, जिसके अंदर क्या है? वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर टीचिंग सर्टन पॉलिटिकल बिहेवियर टू अ न्यू मेंबर ऑफ अ सोसाइटी, सो दैट वो भी उनकी तरह सोचे, एंड ही कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम दे आर लिविंग इन. It appears that every society may succeed in maintaining its political culture through the process of political socialization. See, अभी क्या है? एवरी कंट्री क्या है? हर कंट्री को अपना एक पॉलिटिकल मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, कल्चर मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, सो दैट वो वैसा ही पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन ला सके. Because by accessing culture transfer channels of the society, the means to improve those set of values that contribute to the political stability and solidity of the society may be obtained. See, अब क्या है? बिकॉज क्या है? अपन कल्चर ट्रांसफ़र करते तो क्या है? अपना सोसाइटी भी चेंज होता है, एंड वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव द वैल्यूज दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू आवर स्टेबिलिटी एंड सॉलिडिटी ऑफ द सोसाइटी मे बी ऑब्टेन. Through political socialization, an individual will take on a particular political personality which lead the individual to accept a certain role in framework of the political system. See, through political socialization क्या होगा? इंडिविजुअल क्या करेगा? he can come up with particular political, he can have a political personality. जिससे क्या होगा? इंडिविजुअल will accept certain role in the framework of political system, और accordingly people will adopt a certain status and position of the political structure of a society, a process which is completed by the family, school, mass media, government, political societies, parties, state organization, local agencies, occupation, etc. लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? प्रॉपर पूरा नॉलेज मिलेगा, उनका एक सर्टन स्टेटस हो जाएगा, फिर वो पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रक्चर में भी एक अपना सोसाइटी देखना पाएंगे. और ये सब कब कंप्लीट होगा? जब फैमिली, स्कूल, मास मीडिया, गवर्नमेंट, पॉलिटिकल सोसाइटी, पार्टीज, स्टेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, लोकल एजेंसीज, ऑक्यूपेशन एक्सेट्रा सब अच्छे से काम करेंगे, इफ़ एवरीथिंग गोज ऑन इन अ प्रॉपर प्रोसेस. एज आलमंड एंड वर्बा व्यू इट, political socialization is the process of maintaining or changing political culture. See, as क्या है? आलमंड एंड वेबा दे व्यू पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन क्या है? ये एक प्रोसेस है ऑफ मेंटेनिंग और चेंजिंग पॉलिटिकल कल्चर. थ्रू पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन people enter political culture and their orientation towards political objective are formed. See, through political socialization क्या है? people एक political culture में आते हैं and वो उसी तरफ से ही आगे बढ़ते हैं, and they have some political objectives are formed. This paper has sought to identify the relationship between political socialization and political culture. See, ये जो पेपर है दे यहाँ पे क्या आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं? दे आर आइडेंटिफाइंग द रिलेशनशिप between political socialization and political culture. We have succeeded in establishing the way a child is socialized. See, अपन ने देखा how child is socialized and the environment definitely impact on his political culture. वो environment किस तरह से political culture पे effect करता है. It is widely known and accepted fact that man is a social. See, it is widely known and accepted, एक अच्छे से अपने को मालूम है और एक फैक्ट है कि मैन क्या है? ये एक सोशल क्रिएचर है. उसका आइडेंटिटी, कल्चर, दिस ऑल आर फॉर्म्ड इन द सोसाइटी. सी, उसका आइडेंटिटी, कल्चर सब कुछ कहाँ पे होता है? एवरीथिंग इज फॉर्म्ड इन द सोसाइटी. सब कुछ सोसाइटी से ही मिलता है. उसका एक कल्चर, उसकी आइडेंटिटी सब सोसाइटी ही देती है ना अपने को. यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एक्टिविटीज़ एंड फंक्शंस आर डायरेक्टेड थ्रू द सोसाइटी. There are few human activities which are not affected by community. See, सिर्फ few human activities रहती है which are not affected by community. Therefore, society is crucial for human being because it is associated with their survival. Therefore, क्या है? सोसाइटी क्या है? ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रहती है ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए क्योंकि उसी से ही उसका सर्वाइवल रहता है. In this regard, family plays the most important role in spreading socialization. उसी तरह से क्या है, फैमिली भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है फॉर स्प्रेडिंग सोशलाइजेशन. द टाइप रिलेशनशिप formed in firmly influence the early stage of life and formation of their personality, and thereby prepare them to abide by social norms and rules and have a successful and effective presence in society. See, द टाइप रिलेशनशिप क्या है, इट इज़ फैमिली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हर स्टेज पे. उस हिसाब से अपन पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप करते हैं, उस हिसाब से अपने सोशल नॉर्म्स रूल्स अपन बनाते हैं और अपना सोसाइटी और अपना प्रेजेंट अपन इफेक्टिव बनाते हैं. I think we'll wind up our lecture here. If you have in next lecture, we'll start with the agencies of political socialization. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID is rasika.pagaria@arahamedu.in. Thank you.